Let's look at this problem. Gilda has a bag of marbles. She gives 20% of them to her friend Pedro. Then Gilda gives 10% of what is left to another friend, Ebony. Finally, Gilda gives 25% of what is now left in the bag to her brother, Jimmy. What percentage of her original bag of marbles does Gilda have left for herself? This problem is quite straightforward. You just apply the definition of a percentage, and it should be good. However, a common mistake students can make about this problem is to add up these percentages. That will be wrong. For example, if we want to add up 20% plus 10 plus 25, right? And you think this is what's being given out. And then 1 minus that, we only care about the percentage. So this number is certainly wrong. And another mistake people tend to make when they do grocery shopping or go to the malls to do clothes shopping, people tend to make this mistake that when they have a, let's say, a 20% off coupon, right? And they may have another, let's say, 30% off coupon. Then people expect to take 50% off the original price on the sale. This is certainly wrong because you can't do this. In this problem, we'll see what is the correct way to handle these multiple percentages. So I'll mark this as wrong. Okay, so what we really need to do is, let's assume at the start we have one bag of marbles. Let's assume that's just one bag, right? You may need this or you can just skip it. It doesn't really matter. And what we care about is she gives 20% of them away. And then what's left? What's left is 1 minus 20%, right? And this is what's left. And then she gives another 10% of what's left away. Therefore, that's 1 minus 10%. And then multiply 25% of what's remaining to her brother, Jimmy. So that's 1 minus 25%. So this is actually our answer. This is what's left. So let's finish the calculation. So the first one is 80% times, the second term is 90% times 75%. Good. Then what should we do now? We can certainly do the multiplication from the left to the right. When I do this problem, I prefer to look at these numbers carefully, and then I realize that if we combine these two, and then that will simplify the calculation. 75%, that's 3/4, right? And this is 80%. So 3/4 of 80%, that's 60%. And then times 90%, right? So this gives, so this is equivalent to 0.6 times 0.9. So 6 times 9, that's 54. Therefore, the final answer is 54%. So let's look at the choices. E is our answer. And before we end this video, I want to point out this thing, right? This is the common mistake that the people tend to make. So when you do the shopping in the mall and you have a 20% off coupon, and then you have a 30% off coupon. So even if the stores allow you to compound these two coupons, but that doesn't mean you can add them up. What you need to do is for 20% off, then that's 1 minus 20%. This is your actual price from the first coupon. And of course, that's times the sale price, right? And then you take another 30% off, which is 1 minus 30%. Therefore, this is 0.8 times 0.7. So that's 56%. So that's almost 50% off, but not exactly. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe the channel. If you have questions, please leave a comment.